What's up, guys? So today I brought my maroon truck. It rides pretty good, actually. It picks up pretty quick. I think mainly because it's tuned. It's pretty quick. The response is there. So today, guy's supposed to come by and clean up the interior. It's pretty filthy. I know it has like some grease stains here and there. I'm gonna remove that right now, the computer, and I think just two computers. And I brought my stocks from my White Sierra. I'm thinking about putting these on this one for now, and finally taking these off and either trading them to somebody or selling them. So hopefully the interior cleans up pretty well, because you see even like the door panels are all dirty, carpet's pretty stained, the seat is dirty. Good thing the seat's not ripped. I mean the cushion is probably already worn. See, even the headrest is pretty dirty. The headliner's not too bad, it's just kind of peeling off right here. But we'll see how it goes when he comes by. Alright, the detail guy's here. He's setting up. What's up, big tree? You like that blue truck? Right? Those guess on 17 by 11s probably, huh? Yeah. It's a nice little truck. I think it's cammed out, no? Yeah, it sounded like it was cammed. You want to tell the people your info, man?
Yes, sir. You can look me up on Instagram. It's Texas Made Auto Detailing.
Texas Made Auto Detailing here on Instagram. So we're gonna take off the seats instead. That way he gets down and cleans the whole carpet the way it's supposed to be. See, it needs to be long. Let me go see if I have the other one I use. Pues ya quedó los seats. We just gotta take them off. Lo bueno que ahorita hay sol. Yesterday we had this whole hurricane thing going on, Hurricane Laura, que si iba a pegar o no iba a pegar, y no llegó nada, ni una lluvia. So I don't know. I'm like, today mejor está bueno para lavar la troca de adentro tan siquiera. Well, at least I found some money in here. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents. Para pagarle aquí al camarada. Nos hubiéramos puesto los guantes antes. Ya se hizo doctor este, mira. Trae máscara y guantes. He's a detail doctor. Should we take off the panel, boys? Should we take these off?
Si quieres, pues, ponlo, man.
Yeah, mejor. Looks good, y eso que apenas you just vacuumed it. Te falta la...
It's a simple vacuum.
Yep. Ready to go swimming. This is how the water looks. Looks like a smoothie.
Chocomil.
Yeah. Me va quedando. And you can already see that part looks a lot cleaner compared to this. Doing the finishing touches. Just cleaning the plastic that goes right here, and then we're gonna put the seats in. Looks a lot better than what it was. I'm gonna put the seats back on. First the center console, and look at the driver's seat. This thing came out good. I know this part's broken, so I might just replace this lid later on, like I did on the other Sierra. Alright guys, pues ya quedó la truck. It feels like a whole different truck now. It feels comfortable actually. Smells good. Ya no huele a aceite. Ya no huele a sudor.
¿Dónde?
Okay, ya no huele a aceite, ya no huele a sudor. It's clean. Whole new vibe to the truck. This side. I'm gonna change out these LEDs. I already had them when I bought the truck. This one looks kind of bluish. That one looks purple. Y acá arriba is still some halogen, and they got LED here. So I want to replace them all. Get the brighter ones and some that all match the same. Need to buy some floor mats. But yeah, there's a whole new vibe to this truck. And I'll put up his information on the video. Ernesto Lerma, you can find him on Instagram as that, or his
Texas Made Auto Detailing on Instagram.
His business page. It's good. The outside, I'm not worried about it right now. The whole truck's dirty. I change out the wheels. Probably wash it once I do that. But I mean, it's pretty beat up to get a wash anyway. And want to change out the front end. Need a new hood. Está golpeado de aquí. Paint the roof. Well, I think you painted the whole truck in that vez. One more thing, guys. Got me a swap 5.3 104,000 miles. I really wanted it for the throttle to be cable, not like electric. I like the response better on these. On the green step side is electric throttle, and I feel like it lags. I step on it, the response takes a while. And on my white Sierra, I know it has a bigger motor and upgrades and all that, but I can tell the response is a lot quicker. Oh, just like on this one. This one has the same, basically the same motor on it, the same throttle in it and everything. And man, this thing picks up quick. I think it picks up quicker than the green step side, honestly. So I want the same response. And what do you guys think I'm gonna put this on? Put it on the comments which I think this one's going on. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. It's already late. It's already dark outside, as you can see in the back. I just need to load up the motor on this truck and head home, eat, go to sleep because I'm tired.